end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I lived a life that's full, I traveled each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I have that few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without a champion. I planned each careful course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, as you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew, and through it all, when there was truth, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall, and did it my way. I loved and cried, I had my fill, my share of losing, and now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way, oh no, not me, I did it my way. For where is a man, what has he got? If not himself, then he says not.